Xavier Wolf Bones, we are all counting on you.
I hopped off the ship with the woods lit. You tryna get a hit, you can forget about it. Fall, winter, spring, summer, running back. I'ma smoke it down until I'm through with that. I'm sitting candy, come to call up, she's a color hue. As soon as I pull up, she say I'm full with you. And right before I pull off, she say what's up with you. Baby, I'ma take your best as I can fucking do. I'ma switch a new shot.
Aye. What's up, party people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got two little simple mods, I guess. Actually got my hands on some rare carbon fiber pieces for my TC. Got my little buddy coming in to help me. Working on my car. There's Bay. Yeah, got these bad boys in today. So those are the carbon fiber pillar pieces. And I'm also going to be taking off these rain guards. And as you can tell, I just vinyl wrap my pillars. Because as I said, these pieces are rare and hard to find. Because they don't make them no more. So I'm going to be putting in these new end channel visors. And taking these off. I'm working on my car, buddy. And gotta get rid of these because that piece goes all the way up there. As you can tell. And it's just held on by double-sided tape. So yeah, simple. Alright, here's the update. Got this thing all cleaned off. It was 6 years or more of double-sided tape up here with them old rain guards. So now I just need to clean the inside channel for where the new ones are gonna stick in. So got me a little bit of alcohol on this paper towel here, wrapped on a Bondo body filler scraper, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, you got to get all of that dirt out. Pretty nasty, so yep. Alright guys, passenger side is in. I had to finesse it a little bit. The way I did it, I put the front end first and then flexed the middle out. Took the tape off the back and pushed the back in. And then as I worked the middle end, I flexed it out like this along the outline. Kind of got stuck right here. But I was able to get her in. So now all I need to do is just take the rest of the tape off and pull it forward and roll the window up. And the directions say that you gotta leave your windows rolled up for 48 hours to get maximum adhesion, which is supposed to rain all weekend anyway. So my windows will be up inside of the garage for, you know, more than 2-3 days, so shouldn't have no issues. So yeah.
Ain't the boss. Maybe it's cause these fits I've been getting on. Okay.
Boom, there you go. Window is up for the next couple days. So let this cure in place. So now I need to get my carbon fiber pillars on. And like I said before, it's only gonna be held on by double-sided tape. Most of the time when I put anything on with only double-sided tape, other than these of course, but just like I did with my carbon fiber roof, rear window visor, spoiler, whatever you want to call it, I used this stuff right here, 3M plastic emblem and trim adhesive. It's just the extra adhesive to ensure that this won't fly off while I'm driving down the road or anything like that. Because like I said, these pieces are rare. You can only get them, you know, second hand. You can't get them brand new anymore. So yeah, which I got them for a good deal from a guy in I believe in California. I saw him posted up on one of the forums, well, one of the groups on that I'm a part of on Facebook, and I was the first one to jump on it because I've always wanted some of these. Never had the chance to get them when they were being made. They were over like $100 and something, which I was not trying to pay. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of that extra trim adhesive on here, heat that up with my heat gun a little bit, and stick her on.
Niggas still lost. Trying to detain the boss. Maybe it's cause these fits that I'm getting off. Outfits, murder one, I ain't killing them soft. Big crib, that's a mansion and not a loft. I ain't never falling off, won't take part in that. Some niggas get money, don't know how to react. Ain't $1 million, my name ain't on the contract. She ain't a boss, you can have her back. I'm where her loft at, smoking out, playing my favorite songs. Let her hit the weed and she sang along. Pink diamonds, Rolexes telling the time, and if I wanna make a move, then she gon' tag along. I ain't one for boasting and bragging. I'm the type to put it in my raps. You find out that most of it happened. You smell the smoke, you know it's the captain. Bringing the bottles, I roll them and pass them.
When I wake up in the morning, I'm rolling up the weed and I'm thinking about you. What we gon' do? Yeah, I'ma take you back to my home. Smoke all the joints and I'm thinking about you. What we gon' do?
I got it legalized, and now it's me and my homies when I need to fly. My money get bigger size, and if she ain't coming home no more, I'm the reason why. For my team down the ride, you see it in my eyes. 13's on the side, my trees crystallized. Lot of life to live, I ain't missing mine. Leave it all for my kid. I can hear him hating from the distance. The world's filled with all kinds of paper, I'm trying to get it. Treat her so good that she think of me when I'm finished. Going so hard they just wait for the intermission. But I ain't never letting up, never rushing my moves. I just wait for them to slack off, giving me the perfect opportunity. Then I set them up. Chain cold as the weather in December. This that goat flow, I know you remember.
When I wake up in the morning, I'm rolling up the weed and I'm thinking about you. What we gon' do?
And boom, there you have it. It's fully on. Looks so good. So good. Now I need to rewrap this little small piece. I did it like before we moved into this house like a year ago, and I didn't do such a good job. Did a rush job pretty much. Goes right there, so I'm gonna do that. But first I need to bust out the driver's side, so if you guys don't remember, here's the before with the stick on and the vinyl wrap. And here is the after with the end channel and the real carbon fibre. Yeah. Alright guys, so I just rewrapped my little trim pieces here that go in front of the mirrors. Sorry I didn't record it. but it didn't take no time at all. And there's tons of wrapping videos if you guys want to learn how to vinyl wrap. So I'm just gonna pop these back in place. Boom. That's it. Get that air bubble out. Oh yeah. Looks a whole lot better than it was before. And here's the driver's side. Vent shade, rain guard, whatever you want to call it. Put in, as well as that. Yeah. And as you guys can see, these little scratches that were left behind when I pulled up that old double-sided tape. So I'm probably gonna get me a can of Plasti Dip or something and just paint over that to make it look good again. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Be easy.
Slack off, giving me the perfect opportunity. Then I set them up. Chain cold as the weather in December. This that go flow, I know you remember.
When I wake up in the morning, I'm rolling up